Hi guys, welcome. Hi guys, welcome to a beautiful Sunday. Today we skipped the gym. We were supposed to go to the gym and we instead decided to go on a walk. It's so lovely out. Oh, excuse us. It's like 50 degrees I think, but I'm wearing sweats, t-shirt with a hoodie, and my boyfriend's beanie because I don't have one, and my Ray-Bans. Can't see anything. It's perfect weather today. Like, I actually love it. I'm gonna open up my hoodie because the sun's hitting me now. Can you see? Ah, damn! We have this. We got this one, a couple of these, Save the Line. I got a bolo. Hi guys, welcome back to a day in the life. Today is a Monday. We worked out super early and we're actually heading out because we gotta go do our taxes. So we have an appointment to go do that. I am wearing this adorable little sweater. I haven't worn it in a while, so I really wanted to wear it today. And then I'm wearing my Reformation denim and a pair of Senso booties, just black booties. I still need to get these pants hemmed, so I had to kind of put them up a little bit. So, woo. We're on our way to go do our taxes. Yay, taxes!
I'm just happy to get it done.
Yeah, same.
It always feels like a bag of bricks hanging on
Do you remember when we first started vlogging? All of our vlogs were in the car like this.
you. Yeah. Car vlogs.
Car vlogs.
Say hi to the camera. Playing golf.
I know.
I'm retired.
You see. So we're at a Dick's Sporting Good looking at tennis stuff, but we're also looking at golf stuff because we want to incorporate tennis and golf into our life. So here we go. That's us. This is us taking the first steps.
Come.
Oh.
That's why he has so good. Look at.
Oh, wow.
Told you.
Ooh, tennis? This is what you get for tennis. What about these? Men wear these?
Uh-huh. I've never worn them.
So we just spent some time literally testing out different tennis rackets and trying to figure out which ones we wanted, and ultimately not buying anything for now. But there's a lot of cute clothes that we're gonna look at. Hi guys, just woke up from a nap after we came home. I just need a nap so bad. I'm so tired. I'm gonna go open Pokemon cards. Let's go.
Pokémon. I hope it's something we don't have.
Nice! It is something we don't have.
Oh wow, Mr. Rhyme.
Yeah.
Nice.
Nice. Can you show it to the camera?
It's interesting how they have like Fusion Strike up in the corner. It's like a different deck.
Nothing good. Nada.
You want to do 2 more?
Yeah. I got something out. I think we have it. This sucks. Hoot hoot. Yeah.
It's a cool card though.
Yeah, it is cool. It's a TG card.
With it.
Nice.
These are funny. Don't give them to me yet.
It's Space Poppy.
They're funny.
It's like quits. Do you think?
Hi guys. It is later in the day. We obviously were messing around with Duke. We decided not to give him his bark box yet because I need to film some videos and all that jazz. But I gave him some treats, so I think it made up for it. But we're literally today, I've just been like totally chill and been wanting to relax. So I picked up these. I haven't had these in a really long time. These are Lindor milk chocolate truffles. They look absolutely divine. Look at that. We also picked up a frozen pizza, which is currently in the oven. And oh my gosh, I need to show you this.
It's a healthy day today. Being thirsty.
If you have a Publix in wherever you live, you might be aware of this limited edition strawberry shortcake ice cream. Because this is legitimately so good. I'm usually a chocolate ice cream, chocolate everything kind of person. And this, I love. I love. I haven't had this in a really long time. I was introduced to it by my father a long time ago. He used to literally like get like 6 of these tubs when they came out. But basically it is ice cream swirled with ribbons of chunky strawberry flavored sauce layered with squares of soft shortcake. Who would not want that? Oh my gosh. I can't like wait to try this. As you know, we were vegan. Maybe you don't know. If you don't know, now you know. We were vegan for a couple of years and now we're not vegan anymore. And I've been slowly introducing different things back into my life. And I saw this and I just could not wanted this. It actually has 3 grams of protein. So yeah, feeling good. Gonna have some chocolates. Gonna have some pizza. Probably gonna save the ice cream for another day because let's not be too crazy. Oh my gosh, look at this dog. I think he's like, what happened? He's literally, what just happened? Am I not getting a toy? Look at his face, babe. This guy. It's a diamond. What?
Yeah, I don't remember.
Yeah, it's a diamond bracelet. Do you know what a tennis necklace is?
Diamond necklace?